DKS, they trade, this close also well. Let's go inside the 1 minute chart here. The pre-market, the price was down heavily, 20% in the pre-market following disappointing guidance and the unfortunate event that happened. Many people suffered from this awful shooting in Texas. This company is famous for gun sales. So anyway, combination, but mainly the guidance that was lower. So this was down 20% and eventually recovered some of the lost ground. In general, I like those. When they're down 20%, there is a chance that it's going to do well. Right in the pre-market, popped right here, start coverage, the support and resistance level, and was bullish out of the gate. The pop pulled back, good entry through here, and then rallied 69.75. At that point, I said, peel some off, and then extended even higher to the next target, 81.23. Reached the level, and then done. It closed well on the daily chart. We're seeing a bullish engulfing, and if you plan a swing, the support 75, and yesterday closing price 71. Targets here 87, 97, 102, 109. DKS, we day trade yesterday, extending today. So with the kind of volume we got yesterday, it's a bullish engulfing with volume increase, huge volume. So generally, with the confirmation, which is a higher opening holding support, it's a bullish move. Get the confirmation. Today we got the confirmation is going higher. We could expect a fill of this gap here, May 18. Resistance is 87.60, 94.50, and 102. 50 SMA and 34 EMA in between. The support is the 8 EMA and 77. PLAB, day trade, fantastic, closed very well. So let's go inside the 1 minute chart. Here we go, did a pullback, a V-bottom reversal, and then crossed above the VWP. This is when we started the coverage in the trading room. Stabilize and had some difficulties breaking the 1675 level, and then eventually popped and ran to near the target 1828. Seems like is 1820. So a good day. And a reversal. This is a hammer with volume increase, a big body hammer, and a long lower shadow. So bullish pattern, and reported earnings with targets here moving forward. If you swing it, 2022, 24, 26. Support is 1670 and the 50 SMA. PLAB, they trade yesterday. I said this has potential to extend. It did today. I'm doing the swing idea. If you got the move with targets 2022, 24, 26. Support at the moment tightening a little bit, 19 and 1780. All right, folks, thanks for watching and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow.